This vlog is dedicated to my fur baby Yuki, born in May 2021 and died on June 19, 2025. Only 4 years old nang namatay siya, kaya it was like a bitter pill for me to swallow. Sobrang di namin kaya siyang ilibing, so we resorted to having him preserved and memorialized through taxidermy para nakikita at nahahawakan pa rin namin siya. Yuki, even in his full adult size, was smaller than most Pomeranians, so I guess that was the reason na sakitin siya. But he was a fighter. He was a parvo and distemper survivor during his first few months. But in his 4th year, nagsuccumb siya sa isang gastrointestinal disease. On the day he died, pinadala namin agad ang body niya sa paternity para ma-preserve. Dapat talaga within 24 hours after death. Otherwise, baka hindi na pwede i-taxidermy ang pet, lalo na if it's already showing signs of decay.
Finally, we're here. Ay, hindi pa pala. Nasaan na ba tayo? Pero malapit na tayo. Kasi we're heading to paternity to pick up our fur baby, si Yuki, who passed away almost 6 months ago, but now been resurrected and we're going to eternalize her by means of taxidermy. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa paternity kung saan pipick upin namin siya after almost 6 months of taxidermy process. I'm so excited to see our dearest fur baby, Yuki. Ano kaya itsura niya ngayon?
I learned about paternity through their website. I just don't know if may iba pang gumagawa ng taxidermy sa Manila. Ang alam ko ay paternity lang. To get to paternity, best to use Waze or Google Maps apps. Just search for paternity and choose the one which shows the address 120 Congressional Avenue, Project 8, Quezon City, Metro Manila. For those who would like to inquire about their service, I am flashing on the screen their contact details.
Okay, finally, nakarating na kami dito sa paternity. Ayan siya, oh. Ito siya, oh. Yeah, paternity. Ayan. Ay. Hello. Kayo po. Si Sep Malik po. Kayo po si Lambert? Okay, ay. O, sige po. Ay. Eh, si Yuki. Yan, ikaw. Ay. Bawasan siya ng buhok, no?
Yuki lost a lot of fur when he got sick, especially on his neck and chest. He was a very furry and fluffy dog during his prime. Paternity told me they could do fur implant for an additional fee, but we said no need for now as we plan to dress Yuki up, and the dress will cover the fur. Now, in cleaning Yuki, I have to use a brush to brush off the dust on his fur, eyes, nose, tongue, and all parts of his body. If ever we want to put him in an enclosed glass, we can do so, provided that there is still ventilation, meaning may butas ang glass para makapasok labas ang hangin. Bawal makulob, bawal din mabasa si Yuki. Regular din dapat linilinis or binabrush si Yuki at least twice a week.
Ashes po nandito po sa loob, kaya buo pa rin pong uuwi si Yuki. Ayan, nakabalat na po siya.
Balat lang to, no?
Yes, parang ganun na po. Tapos, yung tongue niya po, artificial na po siya since nagdedicate po. Pero yung kanyang nose, yan pa rin po yan. Pero matigas na po dahil sa chemicals na ginamit since na-preserve nga po sila.
Eh, yung ngipin niya.
Sa kanya pa rin po yan, sir.
Let me summarize here the steps we took with paternity for Yuki's taxidermy. 1. The day Yuki died, we immediately reached out to Paternity and sent his body to their QC clinic. Remember, dapat mapadala nyo na kay Paternity ang body ng pet nyo within 24 hours after its death. 2. You will be asked to submit a request quotation form. Sa form na ito, you will specify what exact service you need. If taxidermy lang ba, or gusto mo may viewing pa or wake service for your pet. In our case, we chose taxidermy for Yuki plus cremation. Number 3. Then Paternity will ask you for photos of your pet and what kind of stance or pose you'd like for your pet. For example, if nakatayo din ba in all fours or nakaupo ba gaya ng pinili naming pose for Yuki? Sarado ba ang bibig or labas dila? Yeah, details like that. Number 4. After that, you will have to wait until your pet is ready for pickup or release. The waiting period differs per pet. Some as fast as 3 months only, while others take much longer. In the case of Yuki, inabot siya almost 6 months. Number 5. And lastly, Paternity will notify you once your pet is okay for release. You may ask Paternity to deliver your fur baby to your house, or you can pick up your pet as a Paternity branch like what we did. For the costing, I know you want to ask this question kanina pa. Well, the rates differ depending on the size of your pet, the condition of its body, etc. In the case of Yuki, since he was smaller than the average-sized Pomeranian adult, Paternity charged us 10,500 Philippine pesos for taxidermy fee. I heard much higher costs for bigger dogs. And for the cremation, we were charged for 2,500 Philippine pesos. For me, well-priced na ito kasi happy naman ako sa result ng gawa nila. And pag umuwi ako sa bahay galing work, pagod, napapangiti ako pag nakikita ko si Yuki na feeling ko alive pa din siya.
Hi everyone, this is my Yuki. So yan naman sinabi ko. Si Yuki pa rin naman pero iba na yung
Bago itsura.
iba yung tsura. Siguro ganun talaga kasi pero makikilala mo rin siya sa fur. Kung ano yung pagkakakilala mo dun talaga sa dog mo. For example, sa amin, ilong, yung kuko, ipin, tsaka yung fur. Nung pagkahawa ko, si Yuki talaga to. Iba.
Pero yung itsura niya, mukha niya, hindi niya captured ba?
Kulang pa siya sa smile. Dapat ganito yan. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi.
Yun, yung green and smile.
Yun.
Hirap na i-capture
Ganun.
yun. Hirapan sila i-capture yung actual expression kasi syempre, di ba, na pag namatay naman yung pati nga sa tao, di ba, kung sakaling, di ba, kung sa burial nag-ibang itsura ng ng mukha ng tao pag namatay siya. So ganun din.
May iba makakuha.
Oh. Ayan na siya.
Nakamukha na ako eh.
Oh.
Sakit pala ulit. Naalala ko yung may isa.
Wala na si Yuki but he was memorialized through taxidermy and the circle of life goes on. Good thing, before he passed on, he got my other pom Bella impregnated. Now at 4 months old, I have his son Yuko, a very cute little smart furball, bustling with life and energy, lighting our home and passing his legacy.
Thank you for watching Steph Stuff. Ciao.